Hello, I'm Mayor Phil Good with your weekly update. There's an upcoming 2-day full road closure of Bradshaw Drive for a guardrail installation project. The City of Prescott and their contractor, Hawk Contracting, are working on the Bradshaw Drive Guardrail Installation Project. Starting this Wednesday, a small section of Bradshaw Drive from south of Evergreen Village to Jacob Lane will be closed to all traffic. This closure begins at 7 a.m. Wednesday, August 20th, and will be lifted at 6 p.m. on Thursday, August 21st. Motorists are asked to follow the marked detour signage around this closure as shown in the map. Once this road closure is lifted, the following regular construction hours and impacts will resume. Work may occur Monday through Friday from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. Please be aware of flagging operations during work hours and 24/7 shoulder closures. Motorists can expect delays, reduced speeds, loud noise, and lane restrictions when traveling through the project corridor and are asked to use an alternate route when possible. The city will be keeping the community informed of potential construction impacts throughout the project. Our Public Works Department is beginning the Fiscal Year 26 Pavement Preservation Project, which includes pavement maintenance and preservation operations along sections of Prescott Lakes Parkway and SR 89. Prescott Lakes Parkway from SR 89 to SR 69 is scheduled as follows. Starting today, this week, August 18th through August 22nd, asphalt milling and preparation work will take place. For the next 2 weeks, from August 25th to September 5th, there will be a 2-step pavement preservation application. From September 8th to September 12th, roadway striping will then occur. The SR 89 project portion from Yavpe Connector to the Willow Lake Road roundabout is scheduled to begin September 2nd, and work will continue through October 17th. During this work, you can expect crews working from 5 a.m. to 7 p.m. with night work performed as needed. Flagging operations and temporary traffic control changes, temporary street closures, lane restrictions, reduced speeds, construction noise, travel delays, and crews will work to maintain business access as best as possible. Council members will be attending the Arizona League of Cities and Towns annual conference tomorrow, Tuesday through Friday, August 19th through the 22nd in Scottsdale. This annual conference brings together elected leaders from around the state to connect, learn, and represent each of their cities and towns. The Granite Mountain Interagency Hotshot Crew Tribute and Learning Center is hosting a Fireside Chat educational program tomorrow, Tuesday, August 19th at 3:30 p.m. at the Learning Center in the Pine Ridge Marketplace. The featured guest speaker will be Prescott's own Conrad Jackson, Wildland Fire Risk Manager for the Prescott Fire Department. He will speak about wildfire and, more importantly, wildfire prevention in our community. This is a free event, and citizens are welcome to come and learn more about fire prevention strategies. You must RSVP for this event to the email below. This week, the Community Development Block Grant, also known as the CDBG, Citizens Advisory Committee, will meet on Wednesday, August 20th at 1:30 p.m. in Council Chambers. The Board of Adjustments is also scheduled to meet on Thursday, August 21st at 9 a.m. in the Council Chambers. In observance of Labor Day on Monday, September 1st, city offices and Prescott Public Library will be closed, and some city services will be affected. Solid waste, trash, and recycling will not be collected, and the transfer station will be closed. The City of Prescott offices will be closed on Monday, September 1st. City offices will reopen on Tuesday, September 2nd at 8 a.m. The Solid Waste Division will not collect residential trash and recyclables on Monday, September 1st. As a result, trash and recycling collection schedules will be postponed by 1 day this week. Residents are requested to place their containers at the curb by 6 a.m. on the following business day. Additionally, commercial routes for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday will also experience a 1-day delay. However, commercial collections will proceed as per the regular schedule on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. The City of Prescott Transfer Station is closed on Monday, September 1st. The transfer station will reopen on Tuesday, September 2nd from 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. Please remember to cover and contain all loads when transporting them to the transfer station. The City Council Subcommittee on Appointments is currently seeking applications from citizens who are interested in serving on the Pedestrian, Bicycle, and Traffic Advisory Committee, which has 3 upcoming vacancies. Applicants must be a Prescott resident. Boards, commissions, and committees provide opportunities for citizens to take an active role in their local government. Members are appointed by the City Council upon recommendation from the Council Subcommittee on Appointments following review of applications. Applications must be turned in to the city by 5 p.m. next Tuesday, August 26th. For more information, visit the city's website at City of Prescott Boards, Commissions, and Committees Vacancies or contact the City Clerk's office at 928-777-1437. I'm Mayor Phil Good, and I'll update you again next week, but please remember that we are still under Stage 1 fire restrictions. So be very careful with any outdoor open flames and equipment that may generate a spark that could lead to a wildfire. Help us all to have an uneventful wildfire season. Be fire wise. Thanks for watching.